What's up guys, Coverage Genius here, back again with another video, and today is Wednesday, August 5th, 2020. The tropical storm has passed, the sun is out, the sky is blue, and it is a beautiful day, and today is going to be a busy one. We have a lot of things in store, so today I'm just going to show you a little bit of what I do on a daily basis. So let's get cracking because I got things to do. What's up guys? So it's been a pretty busy morning to say the least. I just wrapped up helping one of my clients on a totally separate matter, helping them with some personal issues. So did that. You know, it's always great to kind of do pro bono work or help out your clients on things that are not necessarily relating to the business that you do with them. So it's just nice. I know that person is going through a difficult time and doesn't have a lot of finances. So just, being able to help that person out in their time of need it just makes me feel good. And I definitely recommend, if you have the ability to do that, to help someone out, by all means, and the time, obviously, then by all means, definitely would do that. Working on a couple quotes here for one of my clients, VIP clients. So that's pretty good. Hopefully, it looks like things are gonna be. I'm gonna be competitive with this. Just a matter of getting underwriter approval. So that's good. On a sour note, the LO that's closing on a home today, and was asking me to get insurance. I was finally able to get some quotes out to them because the moratorium was lifted, and I emailed the quotes, and then basically, they emailed me back saying they already got the policies. And you know what? I understand the urgency and the need that, you need to get policies, so you're going to go elsewhere. That's fine. But you know what? I would appreciate, a heads up, because honestly, I'm spending my time to help you out, and you don't even have the audacity to just be like, you know what? I'm going to get them elsewhere and not notify me to help me, not spend my time on you, but on someone else who needs it. This comes with the territory, I guess. You're gonna have people who are just really rude and not polite. And that really shows the character of that person, right? Actions always speak louder than words. And your actions are really gonna show others who you are. And now I'm really considering whether or not to actually even try to get that person to be a referral partner to me, because honestly, I don't even value how they do business, even for their own personal matters. So, you know what? I might just even, this is probably a good sign to me. Yes, I didn't get the sale. That's always a bummer, but it may have prevented me from other headaches in the future with regards to this person. So I'm definitely considering. I really want to say, honestly, thanks, wow, thanks for wasting my time. I really do want to say that, but you know what? I'm gonna bite my tongue and not do that. But it's a lesson learned today, right? It's a lesson learned. And I really hope that you guys, if you are doing business and you're asking for help, we're asking for someone to spend their time, to find something for you. And if you're going in another direction, by all means, just let them know. It'll probably be sucky for them, but it's better to let them know now than later on, after they put, a few hours into trying to find solutions and spending time on the phone and corresponding with underwriters to see what's going on. I mean, really, why is your time more valuable than my time, right? So Anyway, gotta get back to work. Let's crank it out. We still have a little bit of the morning left and the afternoon. So let's do this. Hey, good news. Good morning. The pre-insurance referral submitted has been approved. Yes! $1.6 million dwelling cost or replacement cost. No problem. Just taking a little break. Get myself an ice Americano. It'll pick me up to continue on with the day. Beautiful day today, beautiful day. What's up, guys? Just checking in. It's about 6:40 and just wrapping up the day. Today was extremely busy, which is awesome. I'm not complaining about that. Just want to talk about a couple instances that I've faced throughout the day, just to show you what I go through on a daily basis. Number one is a client which is a client who is looking to get auto, home, and umbrella insurance. This particular client has a bad record because it has a DUI, and I spent a lot of time and energy finding information, finding quotes for this client, and I found this information probably a week ago, but the client, I reached out, wouldn't contact me back, wouldn't text me back, so I don't know what's going on, but eventually I got in touch with him today, explained all the coverages, met all his needs, and he comes and he was fine with it. I'm even saving him a ton of money. And then, in an email, he comes back to me saying, oh, this company has really bad reviews. So what company these days does not have a bad review? Every freaking insurance company has a bad review. Take a look. Geico has bad reviews. Progressive has bad reviews. Liberty Mutual has bad reviews. Allstate has bad reviews. They all have bad reviews. So when you do research on a company, on an insurance company, on Google, take what you find with a grain of salt. I went through all these searches, sent him screenshots showing him all the bad reviews, and then he came back to me saying, well, the company I recommended got mostly 1 out of 5 reviews, 5-star reviews. So, just to cement the point home, I responded. I found a site that has all these reviews, and I literally went through 10 reviews. Majority of the 1-star reviews weren't actually due to the fault of the insurance company. They were, one, complaining about increased premiums, that their insurance premium went up. Come on, what if you know anything about insurance, when does it not go up? It always goes up. That's why you have other insurance companies to shop around for, right? That's why you use me as a broker to do the shopping for you. Simply ridiculous, but that was a 1-star. Let's see. What else was a 1-star? One review said the insurance company was a scam. Obviously, it's not a scam because it's an actual insurance company and they have many customers, many policies, and they are A-rated. So that review, 1-star review, wouldn't apply to this situation. The third review gave 1 star because of a cancel, because their policy was canceled, and insurance companies don't just cancel policies, they send out notifications. They'll send out a letter to you stating, we are canceling your policy on this date due to the following reasons. And they will state the reasons. They won't just cancel the policy right then and there without telling you why. And if you address those reasons, well then the policy probably will not cancel. An example is non-payment. You didn't pay your monthly installment or your payment. So yes, the insurance company is going to cancel your insurance because you didn't pay them. Okay? But if you call them up and you pay it, then they won't cancel your insurance and they will reinstate it. Another issue of cancellation maybe they did an outside inspection of your home and they saw that there was damage to your home that needs to be fixed. So they'll send out a letter saying, we will cancel your policy unless you make the necessary repairs and provide us evidence that you've done it. That's not the carrier's fault. The carrier's not to blame. It's, number one, probably that customer's fault for not, bringing this damage up to the attention to the agent who wrote the policy or the insurance company. Number two, it's probably the agent's fault because the agent didn't do their proper due diligence and ask the appropriate questions regarding the home. So how is that the insurance company's fault? It's not. What insurance company is going to insure a house that has damage on it? Remember a few days ago I made a video regarding moratoriums, right? What insurance company is going to allow an insurance policy to be issued when there's a hurricane coming its way, right? There's no company in their right mind that's going to do that. So that answers the other 1-star question. Okay. Another one. Received a 1-star review complaining that they thought they had full coverage. Well, number one, if you have insurance, you should know what you're covered for. If you don't know what you're covered for, you should ask your insurance agent. Okay? You can't blame an insurance company for not having coverage if, number one, you don't even know what your coverage is. It's your responsibility. You can't play stupid and say, oh, I thought I had this coverage. No, it's your responsibility to know what insurance you have. The other reviews were all 5-star reviews, 4 or 5-star reviews. So basically, I wrote an email back to this client, just pretty much laying it out. And I said to him, look, none of these are going to apply because, number one, I have an awesome service team, right, that will notify him and myself if a policy is up for cancellation due to whatever issue, so that we can get on the ball and address it. So that's not an issue there. And then basically telling him, look, I have all 5-star reviews, okay? 5 out of 5-star reviews. So obviously my clients think that I do a pretty decent job for them. So I just was pretty much straightforward. Look, this is what it is. Your situation is pretty much not a good situation because of the fact that you have a DUI on your record. So, beggars can't be choosers. You're not going to have a whole assortment of options on insurance companies because of your history, because of your DUI. So that was one scenario I faced today. Another scenario is that I talked about it before, earlier in the video, with the LO using another insurance agency. And, that's fine. She should have let me know so I didn't waste my time. But, the moratoriums were lifted today and I was able to get a quote for flood insurance. And the flood insurance quote that she showed me was probably $3,000 or $4,000. My quote, if she just waited for me, came out to $500. So I just let her know that, just like, by the way, just giving a little jab. I know maybe that was a little immature on my part, but just want to let her know, look, if you just waited a little bit, I would have had the better solution for you and you would have probably saved $3,000. That being said, I had a number of customer calls today, existing customers, which was great. I had one who called me just to make a payment, and I love talking to my clients. I'm not just interested in just getting their insurance, and that's it. I mean, my relationships with my clients, I try to make them go deeper, right? I try to see what they're up to these days. What are they doing? What types of food do they eat for dinner? I mean, this gentleman who is my client, who called me to make a payment, I asked him what's for dinner, you know, and he says fish and vegetables, which is awesome. So that's the type of relationship that I want to build with my clients. I'm not interested to those people who are just shopping around and are going to move after 6 months, because you know what? There's no loyalty in that. I rather turn away business than keep it if a customer or a client is not going to be loyal to me and understand the amount of effort and time that I'm putting into finding the best coverage for the best price for them and their situation. I had another call who is an existing client, and they have their commercial policies with me, and very big client, and doing, you know, they understood, they enjoyed and appreciated the really great job I did for them for their commercial policies, and now they want to do their own personal stuff. So I found a solution. I'm saving them at least $1,500 on their premium, and this is a high net, you know, high value client, right? They own $1 million+ home. They drive expensive cars. They have umbrella policies, so they're very, and they have like 3 homes, so they're very responsible financially, and so they appreciate and understand how honest I am and how straightforward I am. So looks like they're going to be signing up tomorrow probably. And I had a great discovery call. You know, we do insurance in over 40 states across the nation, so you know, I have wonderful partners, wonderful referral partners that send me leads, and I help them out too. I send some leads to them whenever I do have a client or someone who's looking to, let's say, purchase a home and they need mortgage, to get a mortgage, or they're refinancing. You know, the rates these days on refinancing is tremendous. It's below 3%. So hey, if you need someone, let me know. Send me a message on YouTube or Facebook or what it is, and let me know, and I'll connect you to one of the guys who's like totally expert. Did a refinance for us, and our situation is complex because we have a lot of different properties, a lot of different businesses, but did a tremendously fabulous job and got an awesome rate. So let me know. But he referred someone, and she's a first-time home buyer and just trying to understand where she's at. She's very anxious, but I told her, look, we're going to get you great home insurance and auto insurance and whatever you need, and we're going to make the process as easy and as smooth for you as possible. And she felt comforted, and she's also felt excited. So, I mean, all in all, it has been a crazy, crazy day today, more crazy in the afternoon, which is awesome. I love it. That just means I have to sleep less because I have to go home, eat dinner quick, probably work on some more, do some more work, and actually edit this video. Editing video takes forever. But, you know, it's a great time to be doing what I'm doing. I'm so happy. I'm so thankful and grateful that I get these opportunities to talk to people and to see what's going on in their lives, and to provide solutions to help protect them, help protect their assets and their families, because they're working so hard, especially these days. Some of them are working, you know, not just one job, but 2 jobs. They're working so hard to build a future for them. And I want to make sure that their assets, their families, and maybe even their toys are protected and safe, so no harm comes their way. Anyway, I'm going to wrap it up for today, this video, but I appreciate you watching. Definitely, if you haven't already, smash that like button and smash that subscribe button. please, help me out here. I'm trying to grow this channel so that it can reach other people who are looking for just some sort of information on insurance and finances and real estate, because that's what my channel is all about. If you have any questions or have any comments, please feel free to just leave it below, and I'll answer them as fast as possible. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, peace. Bye.